So we humans have a very strong obsession with space, and that has a very long history. We learned a lot about our solar system and the planets that comprise it, while in certain cases we managed to explore the surfaces of celestial bodies, such as the case with the Moon and Mars. But have you ever wondered who were the first people to delve into astronomy? Well, although it's certain that our ancestors were looking at the night sky and trying to understand the magic behind it from the dawn of humanity, the first civilization that kept records of their observations were Babylonians. See, they laid the foundations for the later eras by being the first who laid the system in place in order to calculate the movement of planets such as Venus and Jupiter by using the mathematical principles and empirical evidence. Although their research mostly revolved around religious purposes and attempts to predict the future, this drove them into developing advanced mathematics and lunar calendars, both crucial for later astronomical advancements. One of the most impressive achievements by the Babylonian astronomers is definitely the use of Sirius system that enabled them to accurately calculate and predict solar and lunar eclipses that were later used in the Hellenic cultures as well. The one contribution that falls under spiritual domain is the invention of zodiacs that also originated in the ancient Babylon, when their astronomers divided the night sky in 12 regions on every 30 degrees and gave them names based on the shapes of dominant constellation. Geometry, on the other hand, was also something the Babylonians pioneered, and in astronomical terms this allowed them to calculate speeds and distances of celestial bodies to a very acceptable degree of accuracy for the era. Now, due to the passage of time and lack of well-preserved evidence, our understanding of Babylonian astronomy and planetary system remains limited, and most of the one that is available comes from fragmented tablets and later accounts. Regardless, their civilization remains the root of every breakthrough that we achieve to this very day, from landing on the moon all the way to the exploration of the very edge of our solar system. Bonus fact, instead of decimal, Babylonians used hexadecimal system that made it easier to calculate astronomical distances.